Reporting a fraud transaction.
Hello, I need help with my bank account.
Hello, what is the issue?
I saw a transaction I did not make.
I understand. When did it happen?
It happened last night.
How much was the transaction?
It was $100.
Did you authorize it?
No, I did not.
We will check it immediately.
Thank you.
Do you recognize the merchant name?
No, it is unknown.
I will block your card for safety.
Yes, please do that.
Your card is now blocked.
I feel worried.
Do not worry. We will help you.
What should I do next?
We will open a fraud report.
Okay,
I need your ID.
here it is.
Thank you. I am checking your account.
Is my money safe?
Yes, we will investigate.
How long will it take?
About 5 to 7 days.
That is okay.
You may get a refund.
That is good news.
We will also change your account security.
What will you change?
We will update your password and alerts.
That sounds safe.
Do not share your card details with anyone.
I will be careful.
Good. Your report is submitted.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I feel more safe now.
That is our goal.
Can I still use my account?
Yes, online banking is active.
Good.
We will send you updates.
Okay, I will wait.
Stay safe.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Talking to a doctor about surgery.
Hello, doctor. I need to talk about my health.
Hello, please sit down. What is the problem?
I have stomach pain for a long time.
Okay, tell me more about the pain.
It comes and goes every day.
When did it start?
About 2 months ago.
Did it start suddenly or slowly?
It started slowly.
Do you feel sharp pain or soft pain?
Sometimes sharp, sometimes soft.
Do you feel pain after eating?
Yes, after meals it gets worse.
Do you have nausea?
Yes, sometimes.
Any fever?
No fever.
That is good.
Is this serious, doctor?
We need to do tests first.
What tests do I need?
Blood test and ultrasound scan.
Okay, I understand.
Do you feel weak?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired.
Are you eating normally?
Not much these days.
We need to check your stomach carefully.
I am a little scared.
That is normal. Do not worry.
Will I need surgery?
Maybe, but not sure yet.
What decides that?
The test results will decide.
Is surgery dangerous?
It is usually safe.
How long does surgery take?
Around 1 hour.
Will I feel pain?
No, you will be asleep.
That is better.
How strong is your pain today?
Medium level.
Can you rate it from 1 to 10?
Maybe 6.
Okay, noted.
What should I do now?
Avoid heavy food.
Okay,
Drink warm water.
I will do that.
We will schedule tests tomorrow.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome.
I feel nervous.
That is normal.
Will I recover fully?
Yes, most patients recover well.
That makes me feel better.
We will take care of you.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. At the beauty spa.
Hello, I want to relax today.
Hello, welcome to our spa.
What services do you have?
We offer massage, facial, and body care.
I want a full body massage.
That is a very good choice.
I feel very tired and stressed.
This will help your body relax.
How long is the session?
It is 60 minutes long.
That is perfect.
Please sit here and relax first.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like herbal tea before we start?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Here is your tea.
Thank you very much.
Please drink slowly.
It is very good.
We will start your massage soon.
I am ready.
Please come with me to the room.
Okay,
Please lie down on the bed.
all right.
Is the room temperature okay?
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Good.
Do you use natural oils?
Yes, we use herbal oils.
That sounds relaxing.
It is very good for muscles.
I really need that.
I will start now.
Okay,
Please relax your shoulders.
I will try.
Do you feel pressure okay?
Yes, it feels perfect.
Good.
This is very relaxing.
I am glad you feel that way.
My stress is going away slowly.
That is the purpose of massage.
How often should I come?
Once every week is best.
I will do that.
Please drink water after massage.
I will remember that.
We are almost finished.
That was amazing.
I am happy you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I feel very fresh now.
Have a relaxing day.
You too. Goodbye.
Printing documents at shop.
Hello. I need to print some important documents today.
Hello, welcome. Yes, I can help you with printing.
Thank you. I have all the files on my USB drive.
Okay, please insert your USB here in the computer.
Sure, I am doing it now.
Good. I can see your files on the screen.
Perfect. Everything is there.
How many files do you want to print?
I have 3 files in total.
Okay, do you want all of them printed?
Yes, please print all of them.
How many total pages are there?
Around 20 pages in total.
Do you want color printing or black and white?
Black and white is fine for me.
That is cheaper and faster.
Yes, that is better for me.
Do you want single-sided or double-sided printing?
Double-sided, please, to save paper.
Good choice. It also looks professional.
That is what I need for work.
I will open your first file now.
Okay, please check it.
The file looks clear and readable.
Great. I was worried about formatting.
No problem. It is fine.
That is good news.
Do you need any changes before printing?
No changes are needed.
Okay, I will continue.
How long will printing take?
It will take about 10 to 15 minutes.
That is okay. I can wait.
Please take a seat over there.
Thank you. I will wait.
I am starting the printing now.
Okay, I hear the printer.
Yes, it has started working.
It looks fast.
Yes, our printer is high quality.
That is nice.
Your first pages are coming out.
I see them now.
Do you want stapling after printing?
Yes, please staple everything.
No problem. I will do that.
Can I also get extra copies?
Yes. How many copies do you need?
I need 2 extra copies.
Okay, I will print them as well.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Is everything going smoothly?
Yes, everything is perfect.
That is good to hear.
Your documents are almost finished.
Great, I need them soon.
They are ready now.
That was quick.
Yes, we try to work fast.
I appreciate that.
Here are your printed documents.
They look very clean and clear.
I am happy you like them.
How much do I need to pay?
The total is $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Payment received.
Great service today.
Thank you. We always try our best.
I will come again next time.
We will be happy to help you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Buying cosmetics at store.
Hello, I am looking for some cosmetics today.
Hello. Welcome. What products do you need?
I need skincare products for my face.
Okay. Do you know your skin type?
I think my skin is dry.
Then you need moisturizing products.
Yes, I need something for dry skin.
I recommend a gentle face moisturizer.
That sounds good.
We also have a mild face wash.
Is it safe for sensitive skin?
Yes, it is very soft and safe.
I will take both items.
Good choice for daily care.
Do you also have sunscreen?
Yes, we have different SPF levels.
I want SPF 30.
That is perfect for daily use.
I agree.
It protects your skin from sun damage.
That is important.
Do you need lip balm?
Yes, my lips are dry.
This one will help a lot.
I will take it.
Do you want face cream too?
Yes, a light cream, please.
I will show you a popular brand.
Okay, I'm checking.
This product is very popular.
Is it expensive?
No, it is affordable.
That is good. I will buy it.
Anything else you need?
No, that is all for today.
Okay, I will pack everything.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
How much is the total cost?
It is $25.
Here is my card.
Payment approved successfully.
Perfect.
Here is your shopping bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will try these products.
I hope you like them.
I'm happy with your service.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. A hot day at home.
It is very hot today.
Yes, the weather is very hot.
I feel sweaty.
Me too. I need some water.
Let's sit near the fan.
Good idea. The fan helps a little.
But it is still hot.
Yes, the room is not cool enough.
Do you have cold water?
Yes, I will bring some.
Thank you.
Here is your cold water.
That feels better.
We should close the curtains
Why?
to block the sun.
Oh yes, that is smart.
I will close them now.
The room is a bit darker now.
But it is cooler.
True, it feels better already.
Do you want ice in your drink?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. That is refreshing.
We should wear light clothes.
I agree.
I will change my shirt.
I will do the same.
Now I feel more comfortable.
Me too.
Do you want to take a cold shower?
Yes, that is a good idea.
It will help a lot.
The water is very cool.
That is perfect for this weather.
After shower, I feel fresh.
Me too, much better.
We should avoid cooking now.
Yes, the kitchen will make more heat.
Let's eat something light.
Like fruits and juice.
Good choice.
I will cut some watermelon.
That sounds delicious.
Do you like watermelon?
Yes, I love it.
It is very juicy.
Perfect for a hot day.
We should also drink more water.
Yes, hydration is important.
I will keep a water bottle near me.
Good habit.
Maybe we can go outside later.
Only when it is cooler.
Yes, in the evening.
The sun is very strong now.
I agree, we should stay inside.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better than before.
Me too. The fan helps.
And cold water helps too.
We handled the heat well.
Yes, teamwork.
Tomorrow might be cooler.
I hope so.
For now, we stay relaxed.
Yes, just rest and stay cool.